In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Eyedropper tool in Photopea. By the end, you'll be confidently sampling colors from any image and using them as your foreground color for brushes, shapes, and text. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Photopea. Once the workspace loads, you'll see a blank canvas area with a toolbar on the left. To bring in your image, click Open from Computer. This opens your file dialog so you can select the photo or graphic you want to work with. Choose your image and let it load onto the canvas. If your image appears small or large, don't worry. You can zoom later for precision while sampling. Next, look at the toolbar on the left for the Eyedropper family of tools. If you don't see Eyedropper right away, right-click the icon that looks like an eyedropper or a color tool to expand the options. From that mini-menu, click Eyedropper. A quick tip, the keyboard shortcut also cycles through these color tools, which is helpful once you're comfortable. With the eyedropper active, move your cursor over the image and click on the color you want. The selected color instantly becomes your foreground color, which you'll see in the color swatch near the bottom of the toolbar. That foreground color drives what you paint with using the brush tool, what fills your shapes, and what color your text will use by default. If you need accuracy, zoom in closer before clicking so you're sampling the exact pixel you intend. You can also click and drag across the canvas to preview colors as you move. As you drag, watch the foreground swatch update in real time. This makes it easy to hover over edges or gradients until you find the perfect shade. Release the mouse when you're over the color you want to lock it in. If your sample doesn't look right, try zooming in further or moving slightly to avoid anti-aliased edges where pixels are blended. A few helpful notes while you work. If the picked color seems off because you have multiple layers, check the options bar at the top. There's a setting for what the eyedropper samples, such as the current layer or all layers. For softer, more averaged results, you can also choose a larger sample size there. And remember, once your foreground color is set, you can switch to the brush, fill, or text tools and start using that exact color immediately. That's it. You've opened your image, selected the eyedropper, clicked to set a foreground color, and dragged to identify colors across your image with confidence.